Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we'll be taking a look at our 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle comes with our all-wheel drive system, as well as our blacked out Chevrolet bow ties, our black and chrome trim accents, as well as our silver metallic paint and alloy rims. Now moving on to the interior of the Traverse, taking a look at the driver's side door card first, we can see our black leather with our brown tan stitching. We also have our chrome door handle, lock and unlock buttons just within a thumb's reach. As well as down below along the armrest, we have storage, our rear and front window controls, our rear window locks in front of that, as well as our power adjustable mirrors and joystick. Down below, we have our power liftgate controls, max, 3/4, and off are the settings, and we can just push that in to activate our power liftgate. Speaker just below that, as well as storage in the lower portion of the door card. We also have our power adjustable seats, as well as lumbar support in this vehicle. Just to the left of the steering wheel, we have our dome lights, our interior lighting dimmer switch. We have our daytime running lights as well as our fog lights. If we take a look at the center console in this vehicle, we can see we have our standard gauges as well as the addition of a digital screen in the middle. We can control it with the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel. We can go through our info, audio, our navigation, as well as our phone and settings of the vehicle. We also have voice commands and our phone hang-up option on this side. To the left, we have our cruise control settings as well. Full leather-wrapped steering wheel with black stitching on the underside. If we take a look at the infotainment, we can go to the home by using either the screen or the home button just down below. Helps if you have gloves with the touch screen. We have our audio, phone, Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as the users for the vehicle. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto also come with the in the infotainment. We have our climate control and rear climate control, as well as our cameras for the rear, adaptable reverse guidelines. One of the neater features in the Traverse is the addition of our power slide up infotainment system. We have our storage compartment just underneath. Go ahead and close that back up. Climate controls are located just down below. We have our digital screens for the dual zone climate, which display the current temperature inside the vehicle in degrees Celsius when you're adjusting. We also have our fans that show a sequential light pattern as you go up or down. Heated seats for drivers and passenger as well. Just down below, we have our 2 USB ports, auxiliary input, as well as our 12-volt charging port and storage underneath. We have our leather wrap shifter with our manual shift option on top, our 2 cup holders with chrome around. We also have our all-wheel drive system, sorry. It features 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive as an option for saving gas. If you don't need to use the 4 wheels, we can put it into just select 2-wheel drive and get better fuel mileage. We also have the option for trailering and off-roading and traction control on or off. We also have our e-brake located just beside that. The lid of the center console is leather wrapped with our tan stitching. Go ahead and open it up and we'll see inside we have our removable tray. Very deep center console with lining at the bottom to prevent any dents. The front seats feature our black fabric with the same tan stitching we've seen throughout the vehicle. Also the addition of our gray cross-hatching pattern lower down. Above the rear view mirror, we can find our OnStar controls. We also have our dome light settings, dome lights, and 3 garage door openers. Back onto the outside, we can see our alloy rims, Traverse in chrome on both doors. We also have our lock and unlock buttons on all 4 door handles, driver and passenger, privacy tint on the rear windows, chrome accents around the windows as well. Onto the back, we have Traverse and our all-wheel drive and LT badging, our blacked out Chevrolet logo. If we use the key or press the rubber pad underneath the bottom, we can activate our power liftgate. Inside, we'll find plenty of storage with all 7 seats up. We can also go ahead and lay down these rear seats for even more. You can use the key again or press the button overhead to again activate the power liftgate and close it on up. Now we'll take a look at the interior rear of the Traverse. If we look at the rear passenger's door card, we can see that same black leather with our brown stitching. Chrome door handle. We also have our cup holder and storage compartment with our window switch. More storage in the lower portions of the door card as well. We also have our speaker located just to the left of the foot. The back of the front seats, we have our magazine holder at the back And we also have at the rear of the center console our climate controls for the rear, 2 USB ports, and our storage for the rear passenger's phone. The rear seats feature the same black fabric with brown stitching and our gray cross-etching pattern. We also have vents overhead. If we take a look at the far rear seats, we can see we have our 2 cup holders as well as a USB port. Same style of seats, featuring the 60/40 bench and our cup holder and storage and USB port on the other side as well. Thank you for joining us for this video walk around of our 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.